Hello, analyst alchemists. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of data collection. As data analysts, we know that the foundation of insightful analyses lies in the quality and diversity of our data. So let's explore the technologies and tools that data analysts use for collecting data from multiple sources. Introduction to data collection. Data analysts often deal with diverse data sources, ranging from databases and APIs to spreadsheets and logs. The art lies in seamlessly bringing these sources together to create a cohesive and comprehensive data set. Technologies for data collection. Let's have a quick tour on technologies used by data analysts to collect the data. SQL for relational databases. For relational databases, structured query language, SQL, is a powerful tool. Analysts use SQL to extract, filter, and aggregate data from databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Microsoft SQL Server. Python for web scraping. When web data is needed, Python becomes our go-to language. Libraries like Beautiful Soup and Selenium help us scrape data from websites, allowing us to gather information for analysis. APIs for external data. For tapping into external data sources, application programming interfaces, APIs, come in handy. Platforms like Twitter, Google, and others provide APIs that allow us to fetch data programmatically. ETL tools for data integration. When dealing with a multitude of data sources, ETL, extract, transform, load tools like Apache NiFi, Talend, or Apache Airflow help streamline the process. These tools ensure data quality, perform transformations, and load it into a central repository. Data lakes for scalability. For scalability and flexibility, data lakes have become a popular choice. Technologies like Apache Hadoop and Amazon S3 allow analysts to store and retrieve vast amounts of raw, unstructured data. Apache Kafka for real-time data streams. When dealing with real-time data streams, Apache Kafka acts as a distributed event streaming platform. It enables the collection, storage, and processing of data in real time. Google Analytics for website insights. For understanding user behavior on websites, Google Analytics is a staple. It provides valuable insights into website traffic, user interactions, and more. All right, analyst alchemists, that concludes our exploration of the technologies and tools for data collection. Remember, the key is to choose the right tools for the specific data sources you're working with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep transforming data into gold. This is Analyst Alchemy, signing off. Thank you for watching.